to raise back end up a little bit. So it definitely needs another leaf added in the back. Get that done soon. Finally got the engine running smoothly. We got a new speedo cable I gotta put in. A new TV cable I want to put in too for the transmission. 700 R4. I got those new spark plug wires I'm going to actually put in there too, so that should help even more. And I might fix this up a little bit better. Touch that up some. Just spray bomb that just to make it look better for now. Before it goes into a full-fledged paint job, you know what I mean? You want it to at least look somewhat decent. Still got to fix up top there. A little chilly though, as you can see. We got snow on the ground. So plus I got to still do the front brake caliper on this side. We're working on the dash on the inside, so got a nice dashboard set up that's going in here. Cleaned it up, painted it, put some customizations on it, I guess you could say. Soon this thing will be ready for a paint job. Maybe for this spring and summer I might just buff this thing up a little bit the way it is, and then next fall start the process. Gotta get the garage opened up, cleared up. That is that for now. Started up in a dime. I had to pump it a few extra times because manual choke. He's warmed up now, pretty much. Okay, I'll be back shortly with some progress. Let you know what it is. Which one will you choose? I got the lights working. This needs to be wiped down though. My fingerprints are all over it. But that's with the light on, those lights. Those are the gauges. So yeah, looking good. Still to be continued. Okay, so here's the one I took out. It was in my van. Had problems. There was the speedometer on that side. I got these gauges on this side. The new one I got has speedometer, but it has the gas gauge only on this side. So I've already written out the sequence of the wires. There's the harness. It's inside the van, behind the cluster. So that's what they all go to, all those colors. Now I just gotta match it up on the new one to where they all go. And voila, should be done. So I'll be back to let you know how that goes. Okay. It's done. Got all the barrel connectors ready to go. The only thing I'm missing is there's one here missing, which goes to the voltmeter connector. So that, yeah, that goes to the volt signal, which doesn't matter anyways. That does that little light here. That turns that light on right there. Which, big deal, because they're gonna have gauges anyhow, so it's not gonna matter. Yeah, she's gonna be ready to go.